to move riding. Immaculate Ranch Home offers 2 master suites and 2 other spacious bedrooms and a 3rd bath. All baths nicely updated and feel new. Easy care laminate and vinyl floors throughout, freshly painted in neutral colors. Spacious and sunny eat-in kitchen in Oakland side-by-side fridge, solid surface self-cleaning stove, dishwasher and gorgeous tile backsplash. Large laundry room off kitchen. Situated on a large lot with a covered front porch and the back deck overlooks a big fenced backyard. Owner just had a new 3-ton AC unit and an architectural shingle roof. This home feels like you're in the country but easy access to town, schools and highways. Great school district too.